Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your QCY T5 with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to open the case and take them out of the case. After that, just simply take a look at the bottom and one of them will start blinking like that, red and the green. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode and they are visible to other devices. Next, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your device, click to pair new device, select your QCY T5, accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.